Thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie, but want a community that's gated, beautifully maintained, and close to everything? Today, we're touring one of the most loved neighborhoods in all of St. Lucie West, Lake Forest. And stick around because I'm taking you inside a brand new listing right here in the community. Lake Forest is known for its tree-lined streets, resort-style amenities, and super convenient location. Whether you're looking for a seasonal home, a first home, or you're relocating to Florida full-time, this neighborhood checks a lot of the boxes. We're going to take a tour of the new listing at 704 Rocky Bayou Terrace. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home listed at only $339,000. So let's head over. Good morning, it's Dana Feliciano here with Peggy Ganger. We're going to give you a neighborhood tour today of Lake Forest in St. Lucie West in Port St. Lucie, Florida. This is a brand new listing to come onto the market. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home listed at $339,000. Come on in for a tour. When you first walk in, you have that open concept, the formal living room off to the left, crown molding, ceiling fan. And then as you make your way, look how nice that is. You could do a dining room table if you wanted something formal there. But once you see the size of the kitchen, you'll see that you don't need 2 dining room tables because look at how large this kitchen is. Gorgeous granite countertop, really nice tile backsplash. And look at that huge nook there. I mean, that's a six topper. Very nice. Pantry off to the right. Recessed lighting, and it gives you that open concept. So if you have people over and you're entertaining, people can sit here or in the living room and everybody feels like they're together. And then off of the kitchen off to the right, you'll see the 2nd and 3rd bedroom. One of the bedrooms have like a makeshift type of closet. They use it as an office, but just to give you the idea there. And it's a split floor plan, which means the 2 bedrooms are on one side and the primary suite is on the other side. And then we're going to make our way again through the living room to the primary suite. If you notice, you have a screened-in enclosure, which is really nice because it backs up to a preserve, so it gives you that additional privacy. And in Florida, it's good to have a screen enclosure. Large primary suite. You have a ceiling fan, tray ceiling, and if you notice, there's a lot of big furniture in here, and there's plenty of room still. And then this is the master bathroom. And then we're going to make our way out. Peggy and I will give you a neighborhood tour, a driving tour, so you can see the community clubhouse and the pool, and just so you can see what the neighborhood really looks like. So stay tuned. Another reason people love Lake Forest is the location. You're minutes to St. Lucie West restaurants, bowling, the Met Stadium, healthcare facilities, shopping, dining, and so much more. And let's not forget, you're in arm's length of I-95, so this is an excellent spot for commuters. With low to mid-range HOA fees in the mid-200s, it actually gives you something worth your money. 2 community pools, a clubhouse, fitness center, playgrounds, and walking paths, plus you have gated security. There are 4 homes for sale here in Lake Forest, ranging from $315,000 to $495,000, excuse me. There's 1 pending and 2 sold since October 1st. If you're thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie and you want the full Lake Forest neighborhood report, send us a message. We love helping people figure out which neighborhood fits their lifestyle best. And if you want more home tours, neighborhood breakdowns, and market updates, make sure you hit that button and subscribe. Myself, along with my business partner, Peggy Ganger, we're realtors here with Keller Williams on the Treasure Coast, And whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call. We'll be sure to get you the best deal in any market.